with all by myself. No one to walk with, but I'm happy on the shelf. And it's bathing, saving all my love for you. I know for certain the one I love. I'm through with flirting, it's just you I'm thinking.
You mean he's coming here?
Well, yeah.
Isn't that unusual for a publisher?
I don't know. I don't really care. I'll do anything to get published.
Anything?
Virtually anything.
Virtue has nothing to do with it, if you ask me.
No. I think I can handle it. Well, at least I hope so anyway. Come through, Mr. Hill. I'm Jane Bruce.
We meet at last, Jane. Please, call me Joe.
Sherry?
Just what the doctor ordered. Let's drink to a successful partnership.
I hope this means you intend to publish.
That's what I intended to iron out this evening. You're much younger than I expected. And very attractive.
Thank you. What are you doing?
Yes, I can just see your face on the back cover. Very attractive.
Oh, so you do intend to publish then? That's wonderful news.
Well, the decision rests with me, but there are a few other authors in the field. It has to be worth my while.
Oh, please. Drink some of your sherry, Mr. Hill. Joe, I'm sure the book would be a bestseller. I mean, people can't get enough of crime novels from what I hear, and mine has just got that unique twist.
I know I'm sold on the idea, but I have to justify taking on a new author. You have to have that extra something.
I'm halfway into my next book. You'll love that too.
We could be good for each other, Jane, in more ways than one.
You're such a flatterer. Can we get down to business before I get too light-headed, Joe?
Okay, but I'll need to use your loo first. Could you show me the way?
Certainly. It's upstairs. Follow me.
Oh, thanks, but wouldn't you rather lie down? I mean, it's
Beg your
so...
pardon?
Well, I mean, it would be so much for the...
Don't think so. Hello? Mrs. Hill? Hi, this is Mrs. Bruce speaking. I'm afraid you don't know me, but I'm one of your husband's clients, and, well, he's taken ill at my place. I was just wondering if you could come round and pick him up. No, it's not serious, but I live at 16 Atherton Place. Yeah, that's right, just round from the Larches. Oh, good. That's great. I'll see you then. Bye.
You're early to bed.
Oh.
Is that you snoring?
Oh.
I'll get that. Hello?
Hi, it's Mrs. Hill.
Oh, hello, come in. What can I do for you?
Where's my husband?
Your husband?
Where's your wife?
My wife? Now, wait a minute. Oh.
Beast!
Oh.
Please try again. Please try again.
No, there.
You pig! Men are all alike. Who are you?
Who are you? This is my
That
house.
must have been you who invited me. That's my husband. Who is he?
That's my husband. We need a drink.
Darling. Who are you? Where am I? I'll tell you where you are. You're in my bed. And while I'm at it, what have you done with my wife? You've been trying it on, haven't you? This is a nightmare.
Look, we women should stick together. I mean, if, as you say, there's a strict morals clause in his contract, we've got him by the short and curlies. We could take him to the cleaners. I can get published. You can get whatever you want. I like it. Let's get him down.
Suppose you thought this would be another name for your little black book.
Oh, I've heard about men like you swine.
Oh. Come downstairs.
We've got some business to discuss with you.
Hold your horses. I think me and you've got some private business to settle first. Let's have a look at that little black book of yours.
Oh no!
Give.
You'll publish my novel with an advance of 10,000 and a contract for the next 2.
Okay.
And remember, it's an MX5 with metallic finish and air conditioning.
Yes.
And remember, we're all witnesses, so you'd better cough up. Would you like anything, Dave?
I think he's suffered enough.
Oh.
Me and Jane will take care of this. See? We could make a fortune out of this.
Too right. I'm sure these girls would do anything to prevent publication.
I don't stay out late, don't care to go. I'm home about 8, just me and my radio. It was behaving, saving all my love for you. It was behaving, saving all my love for you.